Updating your billing address on Plus500 is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Plus500 website or open the app and log in using your credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Select billing information. In the account settings, look for the option labeled Billing Information or Payment Methods. Click on this to proceed. Step 4. Update your address. You will see your current billing address. Click on the Edit option to update it with your new address. Make sure to enter all required fields accurately. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new billing address, review the information for accuracy and then click the Save or Update button to confirm the changes. Make sure to check your email for any confirmation regarding the update. Keeping your billing information up to date is essential for smooth transactions.